All our Warmalog cabins come fully insulated, using one of the best insulators out there, polyisocyanurate. This lightweight, versatile material is sandwiched between the roof and the floor, and provided as standard, unlike some competitors. Polyisocyanurate is far more efficient insulating material than others such as rock wool, polystyrene, or aluminium bubble wrap. The insulated wall logs are designed with a triple tongue and groove and a 62mm thickness, with a polyisocyanurate insulated core which is the equivalent to a 140mm wall thickness in terms of insulation. Our Warmalog cabins come with a fully insulated 60mm roof and 50mm thick floorboards included as standard and not as a surprise extra. We know how important having a secure garden building is to you, which is why all our log cabin doors come with a 4-point locking system, unlike some competitors who only supply a 2-point locking system. With security in mind, all the windows come with a multi-point locking system, with the locks the same as on house windows. Alongside our secure locking systems, all our windows and doors are internally beaded, another deterrent to intruders as they can't remove the window from the outside. To optimise the internal space in your Dunster House log cabin, our windows open outwards, giving you the freedom to use all your floor area. They also uniquely feature stainless steel friction stays. These allow the window to be kept open without the use of old-fashioned stay arms. To further improve the security and increase insulation, all our pre-assembled windows come with 24mm thick double glazing as standard. The window units are constructed with 2 sheets of 4mm toughened glass, unlike some competitors who will use 2 or 3mm acrylic, perspex or horticultural glass. When building a log cabin, you want to ensure that the cabin has the best possible foundation. With our standard pressure-treated floor bearers, you are ensuring the longevity of your product. We only use slow-grown spruce timber in our log cabins, which provides you with a more durable log cabin, meaning fewer knots, cracks, warping or leaking sap. All 62mm polyisocyanurate insulated logs come in full lengths and interlock into one another, making it easy to construct for the competent DIYer. We use a proper 4-notch interlock for far greater weather resistance compared to inferior 2-notch interlocks. With insulated walls that are equivalent to 140mm, you are gaining the same amount of insulation without having to compromise on the amount of internal space. We use large 140mm or 210mm roof purlins, designed to support the roof from sagging under the strain of heavy downpours or snow. Because all our log cabins are designed for the UK, the vast majority are under 2.5 metres tall, meaning you are far less likely to require planning permission. If you are unsure though, it's always best to contact your local authority. You're very unlikely to need to duck your way into our log cabins. That's because we have an industry-leading walk-through height of over 6'2". Storm braces are a key component of the cabin and not to be underestimated. The Warmalog features steel straps on the inside and outside of the cabin, which tie the roof to the rest of the cabin, ensuring it's much more resistant to high winds. We provide them at no extra cost, compared to some competitors who charge extra or don't even offer them. All our log cabins come with air vents as standard. This is to ensure airflow and minimise moisture at all times. Some competitors charge you extra for these, or again, do not even offer them. Why settle for second best when you can have a Dunster?